Hi, this is Sivaprakasam Jothi. I am working as a senior technical architect and also Snowflake architect in Hexaware. We brought a smile to our customer face by providing end-to-end architecture, and also we could provide the cutting-edge enterprises architecture solution to our customers. I have completed Snowflake Architect and also AWS Architect certification with the help of Hexavarsity, and I have completed Gen AI AML courses with the help of Hexavarsity team. My favorite food is talapakatti biryani.